As far as the central government is concerned, and as far as the present central government is concerned, I can say for sure that our Prime Minister has a very vibrant, I would say, beating heart for the Northeast people and for the development of Northeast. And we are witness to his concern that we have noticed in virtually every cabinet meeting since 2014, and he has been personally reviewing what all are the plans of the relevant ministers for development of Northeast. And you know, for last 7 years, almost on a regular basis, the various ministers in the Prime Minister's cabinet, they have been visiting Northeast continuously, consistently, and drafting plans, and not only drafting plans but ensuring their implementation. And the good thing is that Prime Minister is himself monitoring all these developmental activities, and therefore in every sector there is a great amount of change. It's not only happening inside RIMS only, but it is happening all across all sectors in all the northeastern states, whether it is for communication, whether it is for health, education, whether it is communication by air or by road or by rail, etc. When we thought of creating these 75 new medical colleges in 2019, when Prime Minister Modi was blessed second time by the countrymen, we decided that these 75 medical colleges will be created in areas which are either aspirational districts, where the people have continued to suffer for years. They have been deprived of the basic health, education, nutrition, and all those facilities. And that is how the selection for these places was done. Another medical college under that scheme is going to be added in Manipur, Manipur also. So, and the way from 2014 till now, you see, this auditorium reminds me of the. I can feel the. I said that in September 2019 also, I can feel the fragrance of the presence of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji in this auditorium many years back, when he had inaugurated this auditorium. And I last time also had the privilege to pay my humble tributes to his memory by giving some water to the tree that was planted by him here in this campus on 21st May 1999. And today also I enjoyed the similar privilege. And we all remember that Prime Minister Modi was the Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the first one in this country to have thought of another AIIMS after the AIIMS New Delhi.